Hey girls! Today I'm sharing some really easy cover ideas. For the first design, I used solid tempera paints, but you could also do it with acrylic paint or regular tempera. First, I draw irregular semicircles in orange and pink on the edge of the notebook. Then I paint blue and green leaves between the flowers. Next, I make a little violet circle in the center of each flower and highlight the area of the notebook where I'll write the title in yellow. After that, I wait for the paint to dry and write the subject title with a brown marker. Then I add details to the flowers. First, I draw little dots around the pistil and then I draw the petals, which will be square in the pink flower and pointy in the orange one. In the second cover, I use a black marker and first outline the edge of the notebook with a simple line. Then, inside that box, I draw the zebra print like you see in the video. After drawing the print, I color it in with the same black marker. Then write the title letters on a separate sheet, cut them out individually and stick them on the cover. And that's how easy it is to make this cover design. I'm going to create a mosaic background with two colors, green and pink. To draw the mosaic shapes, I use the grid on the notebook page. These shapes are diamond shaped, and to make them, I paint 5 squares in the center, 3 on each side, and 1 at each vertex of the diamond. I leave a space between each pink diamond and cover the entire background with them. Then, in the gaps between the pink diamonds, I paint a green shape like you see in the video. After painting the background, I write the title of the notebook on a separate sheet, cut it out, and stick it on the cover. In the next cover, I use pink and green highlighters and first decorate the top and bottom edges with a design of pink diamonds. I make sure both edges are symmetrical. Then I draw a little pink flower inside each diamond, and next, I decorate the background of the notebook with the same flower design. To distribute the flowers symmetrically in the background, I count the number of squares between them, although it could be done randomly. After drawing the flowers, I paint the green stems, some leaves, and with the same green color I color the edges. Then I write the title of the notebook on a separate grid paper. The title has a pixelated style and the letters could be made in different ways, but if you need inspiration, here's a complete alphabet example. Finally, I cut out the title and stick it on the cover. In the next cover, I protect the notebook page with plastic because I'm going to use alcohol-based markers. First, I draw some green leaves on the edge of the notebook with a light green marker. To make the leaves, I first mark the veins, then the outline, and then I color them in. After that, I outline the leaves with dark green and then draw a border with a light pink marker and paint the background with the same color. Next, I add some irregular spots with dark pink. Then I use a black marker to create the leopard print. To make the print, I first outline the pink spots in black, but without completely closing the outline, so some spots are open in the center, others at one end, etc. The trick is to make them irregular. Then I also draw some random black dots or spots in the background. I invite you to check out my channel if you want to discover more ideas like these. But before you go, don't forget to give me a like. See you later!